Let's talk about the latest launched ZTE smartphone Blade A35 with glassy design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.75 inches HD plus waterdrop notch, live island display, resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, and with 90 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with AI dual camera setup on the rear that includes 8 megapixel main camera with aperture 2.2, along with AI camera. For selfies it has 5 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on rear camera, and 720p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 Go edition, screen on top the device. Under the hood, the smartphone CPU is octa-core 1.6 GHz quad-core Cortex A55 plus 1.2 GHz quad-core Cortex A55, powered by Unisoc SC9863A1 chipset, paired with PowerVR 8322 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 2 GB, 4 GB of RAM, with 4 GB, 8 GB of extended RAM, and 64 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167.7 by 77.4 by 8.5 millimeters, and it weighs around 192 grams, and the color options, starry black, clover green. Colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, with AI Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi 2.4G, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5 mm, headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ZTE Blade A35 has been priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 18,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this ZTE Blade A35 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.